Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to solve a question like this when you have 7 minus 6 in bracket 9 minus 7, and therefore you have suggestion answer is not 2. So what are you going to do here when you have and suggestion answer is not 2? Because this is what most of the students get. The answer is 2 because they subtract first and then subtract what is inside bracket and then they multiply. So therefore they get the answer which is 2, but that is not a good suggestion either. So what we're going to do here is to apply a rule. So let's see the rule BODMAS. So we have B, R, D, M, A, S. So this is what we call BODMAS. So let's see the abbreviation of B. B here represent bracket, and here we have R is off, right? So we have D, which is division. We have M, which is multiplication. We have A, which is addition, and therefore we have S, which is subtraction. Okay, so sorry, S is subtraction. So this is what we call BODMAS. So let's see the question. So we heard question 7 minus 6 in bracket 9 minus 7. So what we're going to do here is to follow the rule. So let's see the first letter, which is B, which is bracket. Do we have bracket? Yes, we have bracket. So we have to say here equal. So 7 we have to write as it is, and negative 6 as it is. Therefore, we put our bracket. So 9 minus 7, which is going to give me 2, right? Therefore, we have to say here again equal. So let's see the second letter, which is off. Do we have it? No. Do we have division? No. Do we have multiplication? Yes, we have multiplication because we have 2 inside bracket, meaning this is a multiplication sign. So we have to write 7 as it is and then put negative as it is. So we have 6 times 2, which is going to give me 12, right? Therefore, we have to say equal. We have here 7 minus 12, which is going to give me negative 5, and this is the correct answer. So the answer is negative 5, not 2. 2 is incorrect. Okay, so we should not follow this